I think about service assurance, just to make it simple, is basically to compare it to, let's say car insurance or home insurance. And if you think about that, what do you want? Essentially, I think the most important thing is, number one, coverage, right? You want your car insurance, as an example, to cover your car in case you have an accident, but you also want it to cover a pedestrian, you also want it, let's say, to cover the eventuality of a theft. Now, putting that in the context of the telecom service assurance, when we think about coverage and what makes a solution that has full coverage, is essentially the ability of providing a measurement of the customer experience, not just for regular consumers using their phones or other devices, but also nowadays with 5G and the penetration into enterprise, right? You want your service assurance solution to be able to give you meaningful metrics for machines, for IoT devices, for connected cars, for robotics, and a plethora of other consumer verticals which are quite different in behavior than the traditional human customer. So coverage would be number one. Number two, again, going back to thinking about insurance, right, for our car, I think you want the company that provides you such a solution to be able to react quickly to your needs. Like, for example, if you get into an accident, you don't want to spend hours and hours in call centers, trying to figure out someone to help you. You want to streamline that entire process and essentially get to a resolution as fast as possible. So that, in my mind, is the second key ingredient for successful service assurance solutions. Essentially, how quickly can that solution can get you from, oh, I see a problem in the network, to identifying exactly where the problem is, and even giving you some insights of how to potentially resolve that problem, right? So that time to resolution combined with coverage is key. Now, what makes our solution, the Mobilium Service Assurance solution, unique is very simple. From a coverage perspective, we have the ability to, inject active tests, mimicking the behavior of all sorts of different types of customer verticals, as we discussed. And we combine that with our ability to do real-time monitoring of the network traffic, and we can correlate between the two, such that you can have both a passive approach, you get informed of what's happening in the network in real time, but you also have a proactive approach by injecting active tests on demand. So that's unique. There is no other solution in the market that features this capability and the correlation between the active and the passive domain.